When traveling to Japan, it is imperative that tourists take advantage of the opportunity to explore Tokyo, the city with the highest population density in the world and the nation's capital. This picturesque town is one of the most well-known tourist destinations in the world because it provides an unparalleled selection of places to shop, dine, enjoy entertainment, and explore the city's rich historical and cultural heritage. In addition, Tokyo is home to some of the most incredible luxury experiences and urban escapes that can be found elsewhere in the globe. Take a look at this list, which features 10 of the most impressive 5-star hotels and resorts that can be found in Tokyo. Subscribe to our channel before we start our video. Number 1. Aman, Tokyo. When people talk about luxurious vacation spots, Aman is almost always going to come up. Aman, which gets its name from the Sanskrit word for peace, has always been on the cutting edge when it comes to giving its guests with unparalleled levels of comfort and individualized forms of luxury. Its property in Tokyo is not an exception to this rule. The Aman Tokyo Hotel, which is housed in the Odemaki Tower, offers the ideal combination of urbanity and tranquility. The hotel showcases traditional Japanese customs alongside contemporary indulgences, the likes of which are only available in the most opulent of lodgings. In addition, Aman Tokyo is the ideal location for both business and leisure activities because it offers guests immediate access to Japan's well-known bullet train network, which makes it simple to travel throughout the city. Japan's capital city of Tokyo, which is getting ready to host the Summer Olympic Games in 2020 and features some of Japan's most attractive attractions, is seeing an increase in the number of visitors looking for luxurious places to stay. This trend is expected to continue throughout the country. In this major metropolitan area, where trips for both work and pleasure frequently overlap, the city's rich cultural history may be found side by side with cutting-edge architecture. Price: $1,877 per night. Number 2. The Imperial Hotel in Tokyo. Since 1890, when it first opened its doors, the Imperial Hotel in Tokyo has stood as an unparalleled symbol of the city. Since it first opened its doors more than 120 years ago, it has played host to illustrious visitors from all over the world and has seen some of the city's most memorable events. You can expect to find all of the modern conveniences that come standard in a luxury hotel at the Imperial Hotel Tokyo, along with all of the old-world allure and elegance that will never go out of style. You can also travel in comfort by making use of the hotel's limousine service, which can be reserved for airport transfers, guest collecting service, and even sightseeing tours. Price: $1,500 per night. Number 3. Sheraton Grande Tokyo Bay Hotel. The Sheraton Grande Tokyo Bay Hotel is an excellent option for large parties as well as families looking for an opulent vacation spot that places all of Tokyo's most desirable attractions within easy reach. This opulent lodging establishment is an official hotel of the Tokyo Disney Resort and features direct monorail access to both Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo DisneySea. This hotel, which has a total of 16 guest rooms, is situated in close proximity to Imperial, which is regarded as one of the best areas in Tokyo for shopping, dining, and entertainment. The Sheraton Grande Tokyo Bay Hotel features 40,000 square feet of conference space, 4 of the best restaurants in the city, a fully featured fitness facility, a spa with full-service treatments and baths designed in the traditional Japanese style. Price: $1,100 per night. Number 4. Park Hyatt. Park Hyatt Tokyo is a beautiful oasis that serves as the ideal retreat within the hectic urban jungle that is Shinjuku. It is located in that neighborhood. This contemporary home is located on the 14th level of a high-rise structure that has a total of 52 stories and offers unobstructed views of the surrounding area, including the well-known Mountain Fuji. There are 177 guest rooms available at the Park Hyatt Tokyo, including 23 suites. After a tiring day of sightseeing or attending business meetings in the city, you may unwind in one of the hotel's rooms, which have been designed to resemble private urban sanctuaries and are adorned with literary works and complex works of art. Price: $1,100 per night. Number 5. The Four Seasons Marinacci. Staying at the Four Seasons Marinacci location is exactly the same as staying at any other location in the chain because of the emphasis that is placed on providing guests with a sense of comfort and belonging. With its 57 tastefully decorated rooms, this premium boutique hotel is an excellent escape from the frenetic pace of life in Tokyo. It is the perfect place to unwind at the end of a hard day. Elegant furnishings, a calming atmosphere, and floor-to-ceiling windows that provide breathtaking vistas at any time of day combine to create a sense of serenity in each of the room's accommodations. In spite of its image as a hideout, the Four Seasons offers guests easy access to major shopping and entertainment districts in and around the Marinacci area, so ensuring a more comprehensive and revitalizing travel experience. If you're enjoying our video so far, thumbs up to this video. Number 6. ShangriLa Hotel Tokyo. The ShangriLa Hotel Tokyo is a luxurious lodging option that provides high-quality amenities in addition to a quiet retreat right in the middle of the hectic metropolitan area. Because it is located right next to Tokyo Station, it is quite convenient for getting to Nihonbashi, Ginza, and the other well-known areas of Tokyo. The proximity of ShangriLa to the Shinkansen bullet train terminal, which will take you to various locations around Tokyo, makes it convenient for guests to travel outside the confines of the city as well. This five-star hotel, which has received a number of awards, has 300 rooms that are both contemporary and spacious. The seamless elegance and sumptuous offerings, in addition to the great customer service that is uniquely provided, are all provided by this establishment. Price: $1,000 per night. Number 7. The Ritz-Carlton Tokyo. The Ritz-Carlton Tokyo is renowned for its classic style, cutting-edge amenities, and impeccable service, all of which are waiting for you the moment you walk through its doors. The luxurious lodgings feature a total of 247 guest rooms and suites, a breathtaking sky lobby, an assortment of culinary delights from across the world, and 21 square feet of space dedicated to spa and fitness facilities. Those in search of a venue to celebrate significant life events will be pleased to learn that in addition to a ballroom, the hotel also offers a modest wedding chapel. In addition, the hotel has transportation services, a beauty salon with a full range of services, a staff that is fluent in multiple languages, and even babysitting services that can be reserved in advance. In addition to the luxurious amenities found within the property, the Ritz-Carlton Tokyo is conveniently located near many of Tokyo's top tourist destinations, including the Imperial Palace, Roppongi Hills, Omori Museum, and Billboard Live, among others. It's also nearby Akasaka, Shibuya, and Ginza. Price: $900 per night. Number 8. Comet Tokyo. The Comet Tokyo, which boasts a location from the 28th to the 37th floors of the Sheraton skyscraper, provides guests with breathtaking views of Tokyo Bay and the Marinacci Gardens. Because of its location close to the Sheraton subway station, guests will have easy access to both the heart of Tokyo as well as the Toyosu fish market. This five-star hotel provides a tasteful indulgence of fine amenities and remarkable customer service, offering a wide array of niceties suitable even for the most discernible guests. The hotel features comfortable guest rooms, international gourmet specialties, private spa rooms, a 25-meter pool, and 1116 square meters of event spaces that are perfect for any gathering. The Comet Tokyo is a luxury modern icon that is located just a few steps away from Ginza, the upscale retail and entertainment district of Tokyo. It features breathtaking views over Tokyo Bay and the ancient Marinacci Gardens. The hotel's 290 spacious and exquisite rooms and suites are designed according to a city or garden concept, respectively, depending on whether guests are looking out over the metropolis of Tokyo or the Marinacci Gardens and Tokyo Bay from their vantage points. The hotel's award-winning and Michelin-starred restaurants are known for providing a dining experience that is vivid, dramatic, and even theatrical. In addition, the hotel is home to a world-class collection of modern art from Japan and features one of the most luxurious spas in all of Tokyo. Price: $700 per night. Number 9. The Executive House Zen. The Executive House Zen at the Hotel New Otani is a one-of-a-kind hotel within a hotel that takes the conventional comforts of a luxury hotel to a whole new level of indulgence. It exemplifies the true concept of Japanese hospitality by placing an emphasis on tranquility and unrivaled Zen. The Executive House Zen provides a degree of comfort and relaxation that is unparalleled in the industry. In addition to complimentary trips to the Golden Spa New Otani, gratis use of a private Zen lounge, elite concierge services, and a hotline that is staffed around the clock are made available to guests of this establishment. Guests who choose to stay in this luxurious section of the hotel also have the opportunity to take in breathtaking views of Hotel New Otani Tokyo's world-famous 10-acre Japanese garden. Price: $600 per night. Number 10. Grand Nikko Tokyo Deba. The Grand Nikko Tokyo Deba, which is a luxury hotel in Tokyo and is situated on an artificial island in Tokyo Bay, provides a fresh perspective on the city's opulent lifestyle. The hotel's views of the waterfront provide an interesting contrast to the regular cityscapes seen from downtown hotels. However, despite being situated on an island, the Grand Nikko Tokyo Deba provides guests with good access to the city of Tokyo's premier locations for both work and enjoyment. The hotel has 882 rooms, big event halls, and 8 eating outlets that range from fine dining restaurants to casual outdoor dining places. In addition, the hotel staff is known for providing exceptional customer service and welcoming hospitality. Price: $500 per night. We hope that you enjoyed our video. If you want to watch more on luxury hotels in other cities, then subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.